These are the elevators at the VITA parking.
The VITA parking?
Yeah, these are Momentum in Tysons, Virginia. Yeah, it is. These are actually Momentum. That is pretty shaky. Do you hear that? It has a voice.
Yep.
Very quiet. Security. It smells like fucking. Never mind, I think these might be synergy. That brakes sound like synergy. Maybe it's Momentum, I don't know.
ThyssenKrupp. 2 phones up there.
Oh, there is?
Non-EA compliant.
Okay, you can point down there. You can get the button. Let me get
I'll
over here.
switch.
Alright.
VITA parking.
Let me sample. Voice slider on this thing. Oh wow. Cool. You want to go for one more or get off?
Let's go for one more.
ThyssenKrupp interlock. Yeah, this is Momentum, 100%. This was installed, I think, before Synergy existed. Hi.
Hi, security. I'm sorry if I'm filming your elevator. 2 guys so bad.
They shouldn't care. It's free. I mean, the parking is free.
Really, dude. Here's your directory right there.
Who's that?
Not
Is there two
anymore.
Is there 2 phones in that one?
No, just one. And this thing is. There you go.
Alright, let's go. Ring the bell. Oh. Nice.
Yeah.